What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as you can see, it's a bit different. The location here, we are now at Saujana, and this area here is a very luxurious place because we have an airport just close by, which is the Subang Airport, and there's a beautiful golf course right at the back of this gorgeous building. But we're not just here to take a look at the building or the location. We're here to check out this beautiful piece of art, guys. Now this right here, as we all know, is a Mercedes-Benz V-Class. Now a V-Class, of course, you do get a shape of the car that looks just like this, but it's not a regular V-Class, it is a VS570, as you can see right here. Now it is done up by Nebula. That is the name that they are using for a gorgeous car like this. Now, before we get right to the details of each and every unit that is around here, let us first start off with the history of having a gorgeous car like this, man. Now, from what I have heard, this car here in Malaysia, previously there were about close to 90 units, and currently there's only 19 units available and ready for delivery currently. So that means they sold off quite a huge number, and that's what we are here today to show off the remaining that is available for each and every person to purchase. So let us start off with the front of this exact unit that we have right here. Now, as you can see, the grille, from what we know, this is a dark chrome grille. So there are three types of different kinds of grilles, which I'll show you in a while more, but this one right here is a dark finish grille. You get your LEDs that will turn on right here. Of course, right now I'm unable to show it to you because the car is actually off. You get your DRLs that come up on the front right here as well. Now the color of this is a silver dual tone finish. You do have it also in gold, or either you have it also in blue. So it's totally up to you. You can spec up the car and choose however you wish to do it. The bottom piece right here, they have tons of chrome finishes happening all over the place. And also, you do have these gorgeous 19-inch wheels that we have on this side right here. Now, you do get the standard version of the wheel, which looks just like the rear one there. So this one right here is the standard 19-inch wheel. And if you're looking for a slightly different kind of one, that's where you go with these beautiful design-like finish of a wheel. I just love how this thing looks. It's amazing, man. Lineage. Or is that what it's called? Yeah. Two-tone once again, fantastic. So let us start off with the doors. First thing, you do get your amazing finish of a red or burgundy sort of like interior. Love how the dual tone finishing is happening all over the place, including the steering also as well. And you also get the Nebula side steps right here in this metal finish, so that's absolutely gorgeous. I like what I see. Love how it lights up like that also as well, very nice. Even the compartment storage down here at the doors, you do get the dual tone finish. Now, this whole car is brought in directly from Germany, where they have done up the whole exterior paint, including the interior stitching also as well, together with all these different kinds of wooden finishes, your leg rest that you guys get, together with a table that you guys can set up as well by standing it down. So I'm not going to sit right in because I don't want to dirty this place right here. But check out the carpets right underneath, man. Super nice and soft, very plush and comfortable as well. You're looking at your touchpad that we have right here to control your system. You do get your cup holders, you get your charging sockets. At the same time, you get a shade to cover it if you wish to. And also, the best part is that this is their logo, guys. Now, yes, you do get a Mercedes-Benz star right at the front and also the rear, but you do have the Nebula shaped logo that we have on every model on the inside. Even some of it you can find on the headrest, which I'll show you to you in a while more. Gorgeous finish, amazing compartment storage as always. You get your Alcantara suede-like finish at the top, because this is a one souped up spec of a beast. You do get your ambient lighting that goes across from the front all the way to the back. Nebula wording right there also as well. Beautiful touch of a finish on top. Now, since this doesn't have the piece of paper, I'm going to try and just go in and just have a seat right here. Leg rest looks fantastic, and headroom is absolutely gorgeous. You get a screen right here, and check out the table, man, dude. So, chip, and there we go. So, fantastic leather finish of a rest where you can put your laptop and do some stuff while the driver is actually driving. Seats are fantastic looking and just nice indeed. So beautifully done up in every way possible. Now you do get tons of charging sockets that you guys can charge a lot of stuff with. You also get your storage space down here also as well. Amazing finish of a cup holder. You got the heated and the cooling. Size wise, you can change it also as well. And that's not just that. You get your rest for your legs as well, so you can kick back and just chill. So what about the rear? At the back right here looks even more spacious. I like how this feels. You can actually recline really nice and well. So you do get your center partition right here also as well. You get your Nebula pillows, which look kind of cool, and your cup holders, and also down here you get your storage space to keep some stuff. So it does look very good. I like the wooden finish that's happening all over the place. You get some controls happening right here. Amazing legroom finish that is going on in the back right here as well. You do have your other controls where you can choose, and also this beautiful Burmester sound system that you guys are getting for the car. Two-tone once again is fantastic for cars like this, man. Absolutely amazing. Now let's get right down and let us take a look at what else we can actually find for the color wise. So this right here is a two-tone finish of a gold layout. The grille, absolutely different compared to what we saw earlier, as you noticed. These are in a vertical-like design. Love the three-pointer star right on top. You get your amazing chrome-like finish together with some DRLs hiding right there. Black front splitter, number plate goes right there as well. Once again, the two-tone thing helps a lot in making the car stand out even more. You're checking out these gorgeous wheels that are 19-inch, looks fantastic. And what about the front passenger side? Fantastic brown looking interior. Love the two-tone once again with the brown stitching happening all over the place. You get your Mercedes-Benz wording right here in blue lighted up for your side steps for you to get in. You do have a different kind of like a centerpiece of a design. You get your clock right there, you get your two cup holders, you got your wireless charging. At the same time, you got other storage compartments happening down here also as well. Looks very cool indeed. And also you get your amazing steering wheel, which is a different kind of finish. I like it. Compartment storage, glove compartment. Love the two-tone finish, compartment storage happening all over the place. You get your Mercedes-Benz sort of like seat. Very nice. And for the rear, you get this gloss black finish of a place where you can step your foot on if you don't wish to actually have it in any leather sort of finish. But yeah, it does the job. You do get your ambient lighting for the top also as well. Very nice and cozy finish of the interior. Now this is just one of it. They have other kinds of different kinds of specs that you guys can choose. Check out the amount of charging sockets that you guys get with the car. I've never seen one like this that has that plenty right there in the center. So wireless charging, a screen right here to control the seats for your movement, including the rear as well for you to recline, or either you want to move forward or backward. So very cool. So to close up the doors, press that again. Side door actually closes, looks fantastic. The rear wheels are also 19-inch as well. But yeah, amazing looking rear design. So Nebula wording right here, Mercedes-Benz badging right there, VS570. That's what you guys are getting if you were to go for a car like this. So let's press the button once again. Check that out. Beautiful looking color and a car. Now this right here is a very cleaned spec. These are the basic wheels that you guys are getting. Color of the car is completely, of course, clean and white. You do also have this brown finish of the interior. Now this is completely different from the one we saw earlier. Let me just show it to you guys again. So for the one right here, you do have the stitching right here, black and brown, but you also get your fully browned up finish that's happening over here also as well. So very good looking, very nice and very stylish indeed. Burmester sound system, Nebula side plates. You get this dark brown and light brown finish of the interior. Looks fantastic, man. I love what I see. Mercedes-Benz key, you get your other compartment storage, charging, as well as your touchpad for you to control the screen, including the rear part. Down here, you do have your charging sockets together with some sort of like storage place down here. Nebula rest plate for your leg. You get a stand where you can actually put your laptop on. Interior looks very dark and sleek. Nice leather finish all over the car, guys. Fantastic finish of a car. Amazing indeed. So let's take out the rear. Nebula wording right here once again. Bright color finish of a car. And the driver's side, of course, the driver gets to be sitting around all over the place right here, and the carpets are completely soft and very nicely padded. Looks really good indeed, man. I like what I see. So let's close this and take a look at the other one that we have right here. So this is a sport grille. So from the front grille earlier, you notice that one is a bit more darker. This one right here is a brighter chrome finish. As you can see from the camera, you clearly can tell that this is a bright chrome finish. Those two are the different kinds of grills. These ones are the darker ones, and this right here is the sport grille. So it does look very, very nice and attractive. Now let's move on to the side wheels. Once again, 19-inch, but these are the wheels that you guys are getting. Open up the interior, take a look. You get the similar interior of this over there as well. On the inside, amazing finish. You get the Nebula wording right there at the side, at the top headrest. You also get them in the center right here. Texture is fantastic. Down here, you get some amazing storage also as well, and it does look very, very cool indeed. Side plates, metal plates, and for the center seatings, you have these two beautifully done up seats which look absolutely fantastic. So Nebula wording right here, some of them are in the center and some of them you don't really get it at all if you don't need it. So the rear looks absolutely cool, man. Now let's check out the boot space for this car. Let's see. And check out the rear, man. Looks absolutely unique. I'm not sure what's hiding down here, but yep, most likely a place where you can keep your umbrella, perhaps. A nice different. Now I also love how the interior finishing has been done up in all of these sort of texture-like design, and there's leather finishing all over the place, man, dude. Absolutely gorgeous Napa leather happening with the Alcantara suede finish around every compartment that you can find. Even the rear boot, man, check this out. Beautifully done. Now these are just a few units that are available, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a walk around once again to show it to you. Sport grille for the dark, for the sport grille is the other one. This one right here is the dark chrome finish. You also get a different looking grille right there. And another grille that you guys are getting is the one that we have right here. So bright chrome, sport finish grille. And these are the main highlights of each and every different kind of specs that you guys can get with the car. So exterior design, you got your 2-liter. You can pause the video and check it out if you wish to. On the right side here, we got the interior usage, what you want to do with the car. Different kinds of things. You got 3 layers of full encapsulation soundproofing. So of course, in this car, you probably will be having a lot of silent time and quiet time in a car like this. Beautiful place to be at. Now there are tons of other different kinds of specs and colors that I can show you to you guys, but that'll be for a future video. Nevertheless, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.